Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to discuss about Follina MSDT exploit. That is one of the vulnerability which is in a very trending news. So let me take the first highlighter from here. Now let's see the agenda. So the number one, we have introduction to MSDT. We'll talk about that what exactly the MSDT is. Then what is the Follina MSDT zero-day vulnerability? Who detected it and was the working and was the flowchart of Follina. Exploitation will show you detection, mitigation, and the references. Now, number one, introduction to MSDT. So MSDT is nothing but a Microsoft supported diagnostic tool, and basically you can say it. This tool actually enables the Microsoft support representatives just to analyze the diagnostic data and find a resolution for the if any of the problems experienced by the users. Now, this MSDT.exe, you will see much more things in your organization. Uh, this is nothing but it's a file. It is one of the file, and it is a software component of Microsoft Windows operating system by Microsoft Corporation. We already talked about this other one, right? So it has existed as installed in if you want to know just the path you can directly just go through this it mainly it is found in this Windows System 32. This is after Windows 7. Now what is the Follina MSDT zero day vulnerability? So Follina is just the nickname. The researcher have given this name as Follina and having the CVE ID as 30190. Now it is a remote code execution vulnerability. This is because of the reverse shell, because they are able to do the reverse shell, and will also show you that what's the difference between that emotet malware campaigns and this campaign. So there is some slightly difference between both of them. Now the affected platform is Microsoft Windows. Impacted parties are Microsoft Windows users. Impact is full control of affected machine and severity level is critical. Now, who detected? Well, there is a individual security researcher whose name is now Sec. He found this vulnerability. Basically, he checked the virus total where one of the file was uploaded, and this vulnerability actually exists from the last you can say last many years, but nobody founded it. Now sec just founded it, so don't think that this vulnerability just invented in just 2 to 3 days day before. So now working and flow of Follina vulnerability. So initially the attacker will craft one of the doc file and will send to you, or maybe that let's say the attacker will send to the target. Now what is the step second? There will be some HTML file in this Word document. There will be some specific link, you can say, which is the link of the HTML file. Now what is happening here? This doc file referring the HTTPS link which is having the HTML file, right? Now this HTML file having the arbitrary code, or you can say the JavaScript code having the obfuscated data. See, if there is something HTML file, then it should go to the HTTPS, right? But what is happening here, that this JavaScript code referencing another link, and what's the another link? It is actually calling the MSDT, right? Instead of usual HTTPS. So if you have remember, whenever you will click any of the HTML file, then you should check in the URL bar of that browser that there will be some HTTP or maybe HTTPS something something. But here what the case is going on, it is redirecting, or you can say calling this msdt.exe. So through this, the you can say the fourth step is Windows operating system open this Microsoft, or you can say Microsoft supporting diagnostic tool, that is MSDT, and run the code. Now, whatever the things is in that file, it is going to execute. So after the execution, once it will execute, definitely it will go for the some remote code execution. It will check for the some reverse shell, and if it is available, then definitely the attacker is going to take the full control of those affected machines. And they can steal lot of data. Maybe they can also execute some other payloads. They can uh, they can steal your credentials, whatever the things, I mean, whatever the simple malware actually do, they can do all those things. So this was a typical the flow chart of this vulnerability. I hope this will be very understandable. Now let's say exploit of Follina MSDT vulnerability. Now here guys, I have a file. Let's click on this. So after clicking, what is happening? It is directly having some HTML file, as I told you, and this HTML file is directly calling to MSDT .exe. And once it will start, you can see the whole payload is going to be execute here. You can see this has been started, that resolving issues, whatever the things MSDT, but actually it is having some different payload, and it is directly communicating to their remote location now. So that's how it works. Now let's jump to the detection and mitigation part. Well, first thing is that Microsoft Defender antivirus should turn on cloud delivered protection and automatic sample submission. Apart from that, there is some Microsoft Defender for endpoint, and that can be enable attack surface reduction rule. So we need to enable the attack surface reduction rule, and that is nothing but you can say the block all Office application from creating child process basically. CISA also asked admins and user to disable the MSDT protocol on their Windows devices, and the most important part is that we need to block all the IOCs which is found till now. So these are the some detection and mitigation. Apart from that, you can go through those references which I will give you, and you can take those steps. So these were the some references, and there is one of the things, if you can see the virus total this file. So once you will click on this one, once you will click on this link, you will be redirecting to that virus total page, and you will be seeing this sample. And you can also create your sample of that document just for the lab practice. And for that we will having some different video will show you that how actually we can make a different document, or you can say the word file. So thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, then please subscribe the channel. Bye bye, take care.